If you're an introverted business owner like me, you might think you can't win on YouTube and you're ready to give up. I'm here to tell you that you need to stop believing that you need to be the loudest voice in your niche. You're missing your biggest advantage. In this video, I'm going to break down how to use quiet storytelling to outpace the loud competition by becoming the most trusted voice in your niche. Hi, I am Daryn, a Writers Guild award-winning creator and producer who has led million-dollar content businesses, but spent years thinking that I needed to be more extroverted to succeed in building a personal brand. Social media makes it seem like successful creators love being the center of attention. They love the camera, they're always high energy, they're extroverted, they're using big gestures, dramatic faces, they're always on. And if you're introverted, you probably thought, that ain't me. But here's the twist. Introverts actually make the best storytellers. And storytelling doesn't just get views, it's what builds trust. And trust is what grows your business. But I get it, because I felt the same. But what I realized was that I was missing something incredibly important to building my business, and that is founder-led marketing. Because here's the truth. YouTube actually isn't about you. It is not a monologue. It is actually a two-person conversation. This is a two-person conversation between me and you. So it's not about being the center of attention at all. It is about a shared narrative, and introverts are wired for that. Think about your favorite storytellers. Are they really the loudest person in the room? Or are they the ones who make you feel understood? That is your lane. Look at Ali Abdaal, even Oprah, Meryl Streep, Lady Gaga. They're all introverts. They all build massive businesses through storytelling. And if they can do it, so can you. So I am absolutely 100% going to break down exactly how to turn your introverted nature into your storytelling superpower. But first, here are 3 traits of introverts that I bet you didn't know secretly will make you thrive as a personal brand. That's right. Those 3 traits are observation, empathy, and reflection. Your ability for deep observation leads to stronger hooks. You notice details, small moments, stories other people overlook, and those become the best hooks. Your empathy leads to a stronger connection. You can put yourself in your viewer's shoes, and you can speak directly to their struggles. Oprah is an icon for this. Her talk show reinvented talk shows because of her ability to empathize with her guest. That is the power of empathy within introverts. Your deep reflection leads to deeper meaning because you take time to go deeper than surface level tips and trends. And this is why introverted creators will actually rise in the AI era, because AI can deliver quick answers, but you deliver reflection and meaning. So you become a trusted source, which incidentally will help you be recommended by AI search. So here's how you turn your introversion into a content superpower. Story. Build stories from what you notice. Keep a journal of small observations. My first Writers Guild Award nomination came from noticing a cleaning lady in the office that nobody else saw. And I turned that moment into a story. Actually, I turned it into a video, an episode of a series of mine called Downsize, which was my first web series that I created. It turned my entire career around. I was working as a paralegal before that, and then I built a 6-figure content business because of that series, because of that story, and my ability to see something nobody else saw. These are the kinds of stories that you have within you as an introvert. Empathy. When you put together scripts for your videos, write it for one person. Think about one person that you're talking to, not a crowd. Because if you're like me and hitting record takes you to the bad place, and suddenly you forget how to be human because you have to be on, that's misusing your gift. Just talk to one person. Don't talk to a crowd. That is how you overcome any awkwardness on camera, because you just have a conversation. Depth. Lean into depth not volume. This is actually a larger trend on every social media platform. Now, that may mean that your growth is a little slower, but slow growth is fine. Going viral doesn't actually build profitable brands because 90% of the viewers are probably not going to watch another video. But being binge-worthy does, because that smaller group of viewers will watch multiple videos of yours, and depth builds trust. Introverts don't need to become extroverts to succeed online. You just need to own the way you already connect best. Through story, through depth, and through empathy. If you're an introvert who's ready to define your unique storytelling style, you can grab my leading character story kit, which is an all-in-one storytelling toolkit. The link is in my description, or you can click on the video that's popping up on the screen. Until next time, keep creating and keep thinking like a showrunner.